Hi, welcome to DABblocks. In this video, we will learn basics of algo trading. What is algo trading, advantages of algo trading, and how to set up a system for algo trading. Let's get started. What is algo trading? Algo trading, also called as automatic trading, uses a computer program to follow set of instructions to place, buy and sell orders. How does algo trading works? Suppose a trader follows a strategy, which is exponential moving average or EMA crossover, and based on crossover, he or she decide to buy or sell the stock. For example, if 9 EMA crosses about 21 EMA, then buy stocks or long in future or buy call option. And if it crosses below, then exit the position or take a new short position or buy put option. In this example, yellow line represents 9-day EMA and red line represents 21 days EMA. Here, trader must monitor charts continuously to take a decision to buy or sell a stock. In case of algo trading, trader just need to define this instruction and he or she can leave the system to take a trades by algo scripts. Trader can also set a limit order price, stop loss price, trailing stop loss and target at the same time. In manual execution, there are human emotions like should I exit a trade or not, should I activate trailing stop loss or wait for some time, or close position on decided target or wait for more profit, etc. Because of human emotions, greed and fears, many traders loses their money in the market. Algo trading completely remove human emotions, greed and fear and run algos completely based on given instructions. Advantages of algo trading. First, no human errors. Second, remove human emotions and psychological factor out of the trading. Third, algo can check as many indicators as we want at the same time. Manually checking multiple indicators is quite difficult. Fourth, fast order execution. Fifth, strategic creation and backtesting. Trader can create a strategy and do a backtesting as many times as he wants. Without algo, even for single indicator change, trader must verify all the charts manually and do backtesting, which is very time consuming. Who can run algo trading? Or algo trading is useful for first intraday or short term traders and second systematic traders. Now let's see steps to follow for algo trading. First, you need to define or decide your strategy. It can be based on some indicators, it can be arbitrage opportunity, or it can be time based strategy, or it can be price action based strategy. Once you define your strategy, then do a backtesting of that strategy. Try changing parameters and choose best win rate or best risk reward strategy. There is no strategy which is 100% accurate or risk free. Try to get strategy which has risk reward at least 1:2 or 1:3 and win rate is more than 50 to 60%. Also check your strategy's drawdown. Then do a paper trading for few days. Once you have your strategy, then run that strategy consistently. Do not give up within first few days or weeks. Finally, based on your real trades, fine-tune your strategy if required. You only need one strategy to make consistent income from the market. Algo trading works same across all asset classes. Let us now see how to set up an algo trading system. First, you need to go to the broker site and create an app or API where you will get API key and API secret. Here are the example of 2 equity brokers and 1 crypto exchange. App creation is similar process. Ultimately, we need access key to communicate with broker through API, to place orders, to check order status, to cancel orders, and to get market data, etc. etc. Here the example of Zerodha app creation, Binance API creation, and Fire's API creation. Each one has their own libraries or SDKs as per your programming language. You need to use or import appropriate version and start coding your own strategy. Consider example of Fires. Once you create app, you will get app ID, secret ID and redirect URL. In case of Zerodha, you will get API key and API secret, and in case of Binance, you will get API key and secret key. With this simple step, we are done with the algo trading setup. Now we can directly start coding our strategy. In the next video, we will see how to connect to the Fires broker using API and try to run some functions. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.